Last part is very simple. We just need to compute Einstein field equations for this non-relativistic fluid. You know that non-relativistic fluid and an energy momentum tensor where the pressure is negligible. So it's only this part here. And we want to compute them in the comoving frame where the velocity is equal to 0. Okay, so if component of the velocity equal to 0. We are moving with the metal basically, which is generating the gravitational field. So what we have? We have dE is equal to 0, so these are all the components about the special component of the velocity. For U0 is equal to that, but remember that we are in the rest frame, there will be this beta square, if we want to compute this term, but is equal to 0, because beta is velocity with respect to c, so this guy is exactly 0, so that's c. Also with the approximation that we used, we would have been c, but doesn't matter, so that's v, beta is identically 0, as we are moving with the flow. With these components of the for velocity, we can compute the energy momentum tensor, 0, 0 component, and jj component. Look, the ij component of the energy momentum tensor is identically to 0, just because the flow velocity is 0. Again, because we are moving with the flow of the matter, of the source of gravity. Then we have our Einstein field equations, and we just need to plug in with what we already know, because we know what is the Einstein tensor, G00 component, we have it, and it's this one. Then we have the 8 pi blah 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 constants that are here, and then we have the T00 component, which is this one. So we just plug into here, and we have this expression. And look what we get, just the 2 factor of 2 cancel out, we have exactly the Poisson equation for gravity that we know. Okay, fantastic. We found out that. What about the, not a surprise, because we are in the weak field limit and we are reproducing, we must reproduce Newtonian gravity. Then we go for the G0 component of the energy of the Einstein tensor, that's 0, for velocity is 0, 0 equal to 0, fine, completely useless equation. GEE equation, same business, 0, and then the energy momentum tensor is 0, and again 0, 0 equation. Therefore we are left with the Poisson equation of gravity in the Newtonian limit.